This is a lot of work for a golden coin. Just saying. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've got an extra video this week because I'm reviewing a subscriber recommended product. Oh, I've given myself a bit of a headache. Yes, Beth wanted me to try this chocolate coin maker, and you ask, you shall receive. She also said that she doesn't know how creative I could make it. I don't know how creative I can make it either. Not very. But it does mean I get to eat a lot of chocolate today, so I'm already very happy. Okay, so this is it here, and it's John Adams' Golden Coin Maker set, and it was $12.84, which it doesn't seem too bad to be fair. If you watched the video where I tried that gummy bear maker, I think that was like 30 odd quid, so this doesn't offend me. And by the looks of things, it's just this weird contraption. I'm assuming that the actual toy itself melts the chocolate for you. I hope so anyway, because I really can't be asked to go downstairs. I can't be bothered. And them kids look like they're forced to have fun, don't they? So it says, a complete workstation to melt, stamp and wrap your own golden coins and medals. A truly magical experience that's lots of fun and really easy to use. Mold them, stamp them, wrap them, gift them and eat them. Ages 6+. It's fine. I qualify! There are 0 reviews. And 1 customer rating. Well, let me see it. Let me see if I can find any reviews on another one, because I'm not happy about that. I paid £12 for mine, or £12 something. You can get one here, $11.95. Why didn't I go for that option? I just like shitting money away. I enjoy the negative reviews more than I enjoy the positive ones. S Gold said, what a waste of time. A little more effort from the manufacturer and this could have been a decent toy. I bought a block of Co-op's own chocolate. It's quite thick and chunky, but melted rather rapidly using hot tap water. So am I gonna have to go get hot water? You're gonna be a pain in the ass, aren't you? They've put, I must admit I was surprised. The next few steps were easy enough, and before we knew it, we were at the point of putting the chocolate molds in the freezer. Yippee, or not. As soon as you take the bastard things out, they melt, leaving your hands looking like you forgot to use toilet paper during your last toilet visit. I can tell, I was just about to say, this person's from the UK. I can tell this person's British, 100%. They didn't really hold up, is what he's saying. He just put it very eloquently. El Chupa Libre said, it took about 40 minutes to make 2 coins. I don't mind because I actually have all day today. Actually, that's a lie, I don't. My car's buggered at the moment, so I need to pick that up. But I do have 40 minutes to make 2 coins. That is okay. Right, I think we've got an advert to watch as well. This is always fun.
It's the Golden Coin Maker. Cut out the foil. Then take the chocolate coin you've already melted and made. Give it a push, and yes, it's covered. Now pick your designs and put them in the press. A quick twist of the top, and wow! Out comes your own golden coin. The Golden Coin Maker.
That advert was boring. It wasn't as cheesy as what I'm used to. I think it's because it's British. If it was American, it would be way over the top. Right, I kind of get what this toy's about, and I think it's going to be a lot more of a pain in the arse than I thought it was going to be. But we'll open it up and find out for ourselves. And straight away, this box is ginormous for what I can imagine is quite a small toy. So we'll see if there's a waste of packaging. Probably will be. It's always the case with these kids' toys. No, I suppose the box isn't too big actually. Not bad. It's not too bad anyway. I've seen a lot worse. Right, so we've got this little contraption here. We've got some bags to put our gold coins in. Lovely. What the hell? Why is there so many different... Oh, what is all this? This is a little melt and putter thing. And some stamps. This thing. What is this? Oh, a spread and scribe tool. Fantastic. Right, I have to admit that there's like a lot of stuff for this toy. Like, look at all this crap. So you only get 4 bits of foil. I can imagine you could only wrap about for what, maybe 8 coins? I don't know about that. I'm just reading the instructions and this is called the foiling knob. That makes me happy. Alright, okay, so this, you actually fill it with hot water and it says not boiling water, just hot water, and then you put your chocolate on here. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. I'll fill this up with hot water first and then we can start making some chocolate coins, hopefully. I have to admit, I don't think this is going to be very effective at melting chocolate. It's warm, but I could just put it in the microwave. I'm going to try to use some Marvelous Creations Jelly Poppin' Candy by Cadbury's. And if you have never tried this chocolate, I would 100% recommend you go out and buy it. It is the best chocolate ever. That and Terry's Chocolate Orange Just so good. I don't know how well it's gonna melt though, because it's got like bits of stuff in it, but we'll soon find out. Right, I think that'll be enough. I'll just leave that to one side and hopefully it'll melt. So good. Now it says use a spoon not provided. How dare they? They don't provide the spoon. 2 moulding bases into the mould holder as shown above. Done. Now locate a moulding ring into each moulding base groove. And then that will go on top once the chocolate's inside. There are 34 steps just to make a chocolate coin. How ridiculous is this? Alright, I'll just wait for my chocolate to melt and then we'll move on to the next step. I honestly thought when I first bought this that it was a plug-in thing and that you kind of melted chocolate inside this kind of contraption, but apparently not. It's not that sophisticated. No wonder it was like 12 quid. Okay, so my chocolate's finally melted, and it did take quite a while. Been a lot quicker in the microwave. And it does have lumps in, but they're just the jelly beans. I find that like a complete waste of time. It would just be easy to do it like this. But also the lids don't actually clip on them, they just rest on them. It's just a bit shitty though, isn't it? Like, come on. Right, so add a bit of chocolate to this, and you need to make sure it's leveled out. Right, so I place these molds over the top. I place the lids even over the top of the molds, like so. And then I need to put them in the fridge or the freezer. I'll do a few more as well, just in case they don't turn out that well. Okay, I'll take them downstairs, pop them in the freezer, wait for them to cool down and set and all that kind of other stuff, and then we can move on to the next step, which I think is just embossing them and then wrapping them. This is a lot of work for a golden coin. Just saying. Okay, so I'm back and I've got my coins out the freezer. Hopefully they're fully set. Now my next step is apparently to take a sheet of this. So we put it into there, hold the lid down firmly with one hand, to cut the foil, push down the knob and turn it slowly in a clockwise direction until the cutter has completed a full circle. Lift the lid, remove the foil disc. You need 2 discs for each chocolate coin. So how many chocolate coins I've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need 12. So it only gives you enough foil for 16 coins, which I think is like shit. It's a complete rip-off. Okay, so I've got my foil cut out. What's next? Right, so we take our coins out of here now. Oh my god, what the hell happened to that? That's not a coin. I hope the others have turned out better. What? Do they all look like that? Please say they don't all look... Oh, that one looks slightly better. Okay, I think out of all 6 of them, like 2 is half decent. The rest are just... I know they mentioned in the reviews about air pockets, and I can understand what they're on about. That's pretty bad. That's really bad, actually. I'd be devastated if I bought a pack of chocolate coins and they looked like that. They would get returned. I wouldn't eat them. I'm just gonna do it anyway. To start foiling, lift the foiling lid. So this is the foiling thing. Place one of the foil discs in the golden side down. Okie doke. Now we place one of the chocolate coins still inside its moulding ring. So that's what they were for. I'll use a good one. I don't think I can... It's not going to come out with... It's not going to come out in its moulding ring because they haven't worked properly. They're just all smashing. Oh my god, what is that? I'm just gonna have to go for it because they are melting in my hands. This is a disaster. Close the lid, press down firmly on the foiling knob once you hear a clunk sound. Okay, I think that's done. Open the lid and remove the ring with the coin inside it. It just got stuck to the top. Was I supposed to put foil on the top? It doesn't say it. Oh, I was supposed to put... Oh, bollocks. I was supposed to put foil there as well. I thought I was supposed to. Right, screw it. I'm just going to try and rescue this. Okay. I've got my coin. Yay. I'll try it again and see if it works a bit better with a different one. I can't get any of them out though. Like, what the hell? They just don't come out of these molds. I'm getting chocolate all over us. Not a single one of them wants to come out. No, I'm not doing the rest of them. I'll just do one. Where's my one coin at? Okay, now I need to pick one of these embossing tool things. And I am going to pick the skull because this product is shit. Put my golden coin in here. It is still inside the moulding ring, but that didn't happen because look at the state of everything. So I need to place another one on top. Put it in here, and then I wind this 6 times until it has clicked 6 times. Right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do another one just for good luck. Now unwind the yellow handle anti-clockwise at least 3 complete turns until the drawer can open easily. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Slide it out. And I've got a very faint skull and crossbones there. And then that's it. You know what? This product is awful. Absolutely shite. So I know Beth was intrigued about this product when she saw it advertised on the telly back in 2011 or whenever it was. But Beth, you weren't missing much because this product is crap. I actually think this is the crappiest kids toy I've ever tested on the channel. Let me think actually, because I've tested some crap ones. No, I think this is by far the worst kids toy I've ever tried. So with that being said, my final review of this product is 0 gold coins out of 5. Because it just doesn't work. It's an absolute arse on. It's just so bad. I would be so disappointed if I bought my child this and this is what we worked with. But at least I've done you all a favour so you know not to buy this product. Do not buy it, do not waste your money. But I think that does it for today's video. So hopefully you did enjoy it, even though it was a complete mess. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you come across any creative kids toys or craft products or anything like that, then leave your suggestions in the comments below. Because as you can see, I will be honest with the products I test out. I should have listened to the reviews. Chocolate's good though. Anyway, I'll see you on Friday for a brand new video. Bye.